Hello, my name is Jacob Aragon, and this is my assistant Leilani. And today we're going to be demonstrating chemical equilibrium as well as the effect of Le Chatelier's principle on chemical equilibrium. So to start off, we're going to be demonstrating this with 2 buckets of water and 2 cups, which we're 2 individuals. We have different rates of reaction. We're going to be dumping at different speeds, and hopefully, what do you think is going to happen?
I think that we're gonna, if we keep on tossing water back and forth, that we'll end up with the same amount as we started with.
Yes, so we'll see what happens, but we both have different rate of reaction, so we're going to see. So I guess we can start dumping. You'll hold them back. Okay, so that's good. You know. So overall it's pretty similar. We could kept going, and there might have been a small change. Maybe she was dumping a little bit faster, but eventually we're basically at chemical equilibrium. But when we add something that, like for the Le Chatelier's principle, like maybe it's heat, maybe it's something else. If it's exothermic and we add heat, then it'd be pushed more to the reactants. But for this, say I'm like the reactants, and then now I have a slower rate of reaction. Then with her bigger cup, or like maybe the heat on her side, then she's gonna push it this way. So now as we start dumping, same speed technically like as before with the dumping, but she's slowly getting more and more water on my side, and eventually, I guess we can stop there.
I'm touching the bottom.
Yeah, she's starting to touch the bottom of the bucket, and now she can no longer like get full scoops of water, so she slows down. And then for me, I still have big heaping scoops. So one limitation of this is normally I'd increase my rate, but since this is a limited like example, it only increases to a certain amount and stays constant, but I still have more stuff to move over. So overall my rate increases, and then it reaches another point of equilibrium. So, yeah, that's our demonstration for chemical equilibrium in Le Chatelier's principle. One thing I'd like to note is, you see this water right here? This could be an example of why you need a closed system, because eventually if we did this for so long, like maybe we lose all the water to the table, like you would in a chemical reaction with that's not closed. So, yeah, this has been our demonstration, and I'm Jacob.
I'm Leilani.
And this
is
Science Rolls.
Subscribe.
Okay. Now